This year we are going to celebrate 74th Independence Day on 15th August. I wish each and everyone a very happy Independence Day. Independence Day is one of the honorable celebrations of this nation. Our Indian flag consists of three colors. The first, that is on the top band, is called saffron color, indicating the strength and courage of the country. The second, that is in the middle, white color, indicates the truth and peace with Dharma Chakra. The third, that is green color, indicates the fertility and growth of the land. India got freedom from the British ruling in 1947. Then our nation is celebrating Independence Day. Irrespective of the caste, creed and religion, everyone will celebrate Independence Day as an honor to the nation. Independence Day is the result of sacrifice of the many warriors such as Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Vallabhbhai Patel, Mahatma Gandhi and Alluri Sita Rama Raju and many other leaders. It took sacrifices of lives of many fighters and our great soldiers. Several decades of struggle from 1857 to 1947. The Mahatma Gandhi was the proponent of peace and non-violence. He faced hardships and suffered at the hands of British, but he never gave up. He led the freedom struggle in a very critical times. Our country India has every beautiful thing of this world. We have a strong agriculture and water world. Our armed forces are very brave and bold. They never hesitate to sacrifice their lives for this land. Our economy is also very strong. On this day, we shall promise to keep the head of our farmers, soldiers, doctors, industrialists and government bodies high. On this day, our Honorable Prime Minister hoists our national flag at Red Fort. New Delhi, the flag hoisting celebrations will take place in various government and private offices, schools, colleges, etc. Before concluding my speech, I want to say a few words said by our great freedom fighters. May the sun in his course visit no land more free, more happy, more lovely than this our country, said by Sir Bhagat Singh. Let new India arise out of peasants' cottage, grasping the plough, out of huts, cobbles and sweepers, said by Swami Vivekananda. Freedom is never dear at any price. It is in the breath of life, said by Mahatma Gandhi. The shots that hit me are the last nails to the coffin of the British rule in India, said by Lala Lajpat Rai. Thank you each and everyone who gave me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.